do you look at managed services as something to fill a gap for people during a transition, or do you want to take that responsibility on for them? Just say, listen, don't worry about it. You've got 400 agents. It's a full-time job. Put that towards QM. Let us do your WFM management. Are you looking at that as a standalone product for the duration of the existence of your relationship with that supplier, or do you want just to be a stopgap?
I think it can be both. I think it can be a a stopgap, kind of a quick start service to help us get steeped in workforce management understanding. It can be a temporary solution because we lost our person unexpectedly
Yeah.
we have a hiring freeze. We can't recruit for a while, or you know what, we don't even want to deal with it. You guys just handle it for us.
No, I like that. I like that. And it's conversational to say to them, listen, you have these people. It's just a natural progression to go forward with us. Look at this as a managed service. Get us on board. We'll fill it in. We'll teach you best practices, which I can imagine best setting up best practices is probably tremendous for you. You're coming in saying, listen, this is how you do it right. So you don't have to know you don't have to research what you don't know. Let us figure it out. We'll get you started so that when you do hire somebody, that person is going to be coming along with our training, our model, our way of doing business. And you don't have to worry about them just kind of doing what sounded like, I get a kick out of it too. It sounded like an old PBX story where 90% of the people use 5% of the features,
Right.
your tool now is saying, hey, let's get you in here. Let's get you adhering to our rules. Let's get you adhering to our best practices. This place will be humming like this place will be purring by the time you're up to speed. That's great. It's a great offer.
Well, you don't know what you don't know, and so it's difficult for people to ramp up and be successful. We try to make the tools as easy to understand as we possibly can, but people have complex environments, and it's not necessarily an easy equation to solve in every case. And so that we feel like that kind of brings us back around to our core competency, which is we want to be a WFM company, not just a software company.